How to activate a Citi credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to activate a Citi credit card online, here's an easy tutorial for you. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply searching for Citi card activate and just tap on the first link over here, which is related to the activating your card with a simple easy process from the Citi.com itself. So from over here, you just have to provide your credit or debit card number. So enter your card number without any dashes or spaces over here. And once you successfully enter those, just tap on sign in button over here or continue button over here. And after that, you just have to complete all the fields marked with the asterisk as they are compulsory and are required. So you just have to provide some personal info and simply select pin, select a 4-digit pin from over there, and your card is ready and receive the card recipient verification confirmation. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.